Hello and welcome back to our Stationeers Mars Survival Guide, and in today's episode I'm gonna be revamping this little thing, which is the water loop and I guess cooling and whatnot. In the previous episode we have set up the gas filtration system. As you can see, this is it placed here, and here is the water section of it, which needs to be revamped as of today. So strap yourselves in, this will be a longer episode, grab your favorite drink, coffee or whatnot, and we will be getting right on it. With of course few adjustments. That being said, I've picked up all the necessary pipes and whatnot, and I'm gonna be constructing those. So, the water is gonna go here from the furnace, and it will be going... well, not here obviously, it's gonna be going through that area. Okay, let's make a turn. There we go, and then the turn is going to be turned this way. Good, yes, that's the idea. So here we can go make it go out. And then we're going to be putting it together alongside in parallel with the gas lines. Okay, yep. See, I do think things through sometimes. So, there we go, and now let's connect the rest of the water pipes. There we go. We have plenty of them, so we should be fine. However, it's a long stretch, so you never know. By the way, guys, thank you for your comments. We don't really need this one-way, valve, and I'm going to be correcting it later. First things first, I want to be connecting all the necessary pipes that will be leading all the way there. Good. Come on. Very nicely, very gently, just connecting things. Almost, relaxing meditative sounds. Ch-tunk, ch-tunk, ch-tunk. Yeah, and then I ran out of pipe. Yeah, well, silly me. Ch-tunk, and onwards. I should put this almost to be, those ASMR, except I really cannot do these whispers. This is really cool. Sorry, not my shtick. Tried it and then I got bored of it and fell asleep during recording. So like I said, not my shtick. There we go. Now we can actually place a pipe straight. No, not straight. I want to be placing like this guy so that it can go down as well. I guess. Yes. All right. Then I want to be taking a straight pipe and then connecting it onwards. Right. So, where is it? Pump. Yes, we want... so here we're gonna not have the air filtration unit, but instead we'll have a water pump that will be pumping all the fluid from there inside. Yeah. Do I actually want it here, or do I want it on a separate side? Let's put it here for now. Alright, let's connect the rest of the pipe. No, oh wait, this is a T-junction. Hold on. Error alert, we need to correct this. There we go. Straight one, please. Thank you. There we go. Turn it. And then the straight one. Good. Now we have officially connected these two things. Now what I want to be doing next, I want to be placing the ice crusher as well. So how I'm gonna connect the electricity here? Oh, let me think about it. Should I move this guy? Maybe I should. Move it one tile here. Alright, so I'm gonna swap these two. I'm gonna place you here, and I'm gonna place you over here. Good. So that I can actually connect the power to it. We're gonna put it to max, because we don't want it to drain nicely, we want to drain it as fast as it can. Okay, and here I need my trusty wire cutters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See? That's nice. And as you can see, it works. Beautiful. So now we can drain all the liquids from the furnace all the way up here. Okay, that's good. That's one thing that I kind of expected. Now, so now I want to be putting here the ice crusher. All right, fair enough. Yeah, so here, as you can see, the air is coming out and it's cooling. It's not cooling well, and also I can see my corn has composted. Shoot. Yeah, I'll have to take care of that later on in a separate episode, I guess. I didn't know that the corn can actually, you know, the plants can compost and, you know, become rotten. Dang it. Alright, so let's take care of this ice crusher, won't we? So, we need what? Wrench to deconstruct, and after the wrench we need the angle grinder. There we go. And after the angle grinder we need hand drill. Okay. It's a different procedure for the, I guess, for the build states for the ice crusher. There we go. And I was actually thinking of putting it somewhere here-ish, so that it's in parallel with these old air filtration units. Maybe on this side, but actually it makes almost more sense to me to be put on this side. Yeah, here. And it will look cool as well, because next to the air filtration units we have ice crusher. Am I gonna put it something like this? I think so.
Hydration critical.
Oh, water, the bane of my life. And the sun is coming up, see? Nice. Okay. It's better to drink a little bit of water, you know. There we go. Now, let's see. What do we do? Swap it and let's do it. Let's place it down. Come on. Am I happy with this? No, actually. Yeah, I actually am. That's okay. So, let's finish it up. There, then we need to cable coil. Come on, construct it. There we go, cable coil. Nice. So we want to be connecting the power. There we go. And I actually want to connect this data cable as well, because I want to know what things are going out of this thing. So cable, just twist it, I guess. There we go. You're gonna go straight. And you're gonna hook up together over there. That's a lot of things actually being connected here, so I will really, and I'm all running these off two, you know, solar panels beside some of the windmills. So I'm actually thinking sooner rather than later I should probably be constructing some more solar panels. Okay, so now we need to connect the gas drainage and the pipe drainage, and actually it's good. So it's a good placement, I would say, because once we put, you know, the pipe and gas drainage, then it should be fine. So let's see. First, let's take care of the pipe drainage, shall we? I'm just now curious if I can actually make this one a T-shaped one. Let's hope that we can. We can! Awesome! There we go. And then we will be connecting the water output. And one more, and then the water pipe part is done. which will certainly be very nice once we come with a lot of, you know, water and gases and whatnot, and then we could use the gas part of it. So the benefit of it that is I can actually now use ice crusher to crush all of the ices, include the volatiles, the, you know, everything. I don't need to put them in the furnace and then just filter them out, which is certainly welcome because I don't want always to burn them. Now, there we go, pipe corner, we put it here, and then we will be taking it downwards. Not the T corner, just a regular one. Thank you. And then I need one more pipe. Go figure. Not the valve, I just want the regular pipe, thank you. Okay, well, 1 or 2 pipes should be sufficient, as long as we have enough to connect it, yeah. There we go. Okay, so now we can connect these. There we go. Perfect. And then it will be going directly into the inputs to the everything filtration units. So that basically means that we have taken care of the ice crushing. Now what we haven't taken care of is to connect this to the regular water supply system. And for that we'll need a lot more pipes, I think. So yeah. Let's get to constructing that one. Water pipe. There we go. Perfect. So one straight and then off to the side. I'll probably want to have a valve even, so that I can turn it on and off. There we go. Oh, somebody's gonna get at me because I turned the valve wrong. I'm pretty sure of it. Right. Anyway, let's connect these stuff. I don't think I will have enough pipes for it. Come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on. Just. Ha. Need more pipes. Dang it. Actually, there are some more pipes here, although not by much. Yeah, let's do it like this. 1, 2. I've taken these 2 out. Let's 1, 2. I could be taking pipes from in there actually, because I don't want the pipes to go doubling down there. So I actually might want to take those inner pipes actually. Yeah, that might be a thing. Maybe it's a better way to proceed with that one. So let's see if it works. So I actually decided I will put in a valve here, maybe even one-way valve. I'm all into these one-way valves. I'm not sure if they will work here though. I might need to check how I want to have this aligned. Therefore, circulating the water, the one-way valve might be handy, but for more, maybe I want to put some radiators here at this side, so that it goes through heating and cooling. Maybe that will be actually a better way to go. Or maybe later on I'm gonna be putting the heat exchanger. I'm actually not sure, guys. What do you know? Do you know any? Do you have any ideas? Let me know in the comments. I'm a little bit out of my comfort zone here, but I think it will be fun to give it a test anyway. Maybe print a couple of pipes and, you know. Alright, that should be enough. Come on, turn it on. Spit it out, Sonny. 3 pipes, that's good enough. So I'm thinking of putting a one-way valve here-ish. Now let's see. Where is my wrench? Oopsie. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take you, place you here. One-way valve. There we go. And then wrench this one up here. Awesome. So that now connects these two networks. However, the water will flow only if the pressure in the tank is higher than this one here, which might be proving a little bit wrong-ish, to be honest, but I'm willing to give it a test anyway. I mean, this is a huge network, so the pressure there might be considerably lower than the other ones, so that's also one thing to consider. Alright, when it comes to gas pipes, let's see if we can test the system a little bit. So, where is my gas? Okay, atmosphere analyzer is there. Let's turn on the filtration units and then we'll turn on the ice crusher and have this thing tested. So, come on. I probably will need a one button that turns all of those things on. Yeah, and you on. And I'm probably gonna be using it to when I actually flick the switch on this guy. So, this guy. So when I open it up, everything starts to be on. So let's see. Yes, the water is definitely being pressurized. That's good. The pipe network is producing N2O. That's interesting. H2O and N2, some nitrogen, of course. Okay, let's put in then here the hydrogen. N2O is going this way. Yeah, of course, because the hydrogen is being picked up by everything, and the only thing is that's not being picked up is N2O. So let's check this guy. Have you been... Yes, of course, the pressure has been increasing over there. Okay, good. Then I can dump in the rest of this. And then later on the oxides. So normally I would be really scared to dump those in because then the mix could become inflatable and it could, you know, burn. But this time it's not inflatable because we are filtering all these out into their separate tanks. So that's why I'm not overly concerned. This is just a more of things of populating the gas tanks with their appropriate pressures and everything. So we're gonna turn off the liquid pump now. Let's see. Yeah, we still have some pressure of water in these pipes, but we have here 320 kilopascal. Here we have 2 megapascal, 300 kilopascal, megapascals, and kilopascals here. So clearly we need more, you know, oxidizer, fuels, and whatnot. But when it comes to CO2, we're kind of loaded. All right, let's turn off these filtration units. I might even put in the N2O filtration unit because otherwise the pressure is going to eventually build up in all of the pipes and then we're going to be in some serious trouble. So, alright, but overall I'm happy the way this ice crusher works. So it's just a matter of connecting the rest. Yeah, we can actually put it here. Alright, so once I've picked up all the necessary materials, I started to build. And actually I've noticed one more thing. I need a tank. And of course the spray paint. The green one. That's the green one. Yep, good, have it. Let's go and let's start building. The tank is gonna be here-ish. go. Painted green. Good. Then I'm gonna need the pipes and I'm gonna need the filtration unit. Okay, filtration unit. Why am I falling through this element? I know that it's not a full cube, but why am I falling through it? Guys, do you know? And also, why cannot I build on this? Is this a bug? I don't know, if this is a bug, I mean, it's not really nice. I mean, this is still a steel frame and or subversion on it, but you cannot build on it. I don't know why. See? On others I can. On this one I can't. Devs, can you please fix this? I'm gonna have to put the regular frame here just to be able to build. Which actually sucks, because it takes away the whole need for the, you know, that triangular frame, which actually made sense that it's there. Right. Now I need steel sheets and ability to weld it. Do we have steel sheets? Yes, we do. Okay, good. And I'm gonna dump this here, and I'm gonna take the atmospheric skids. Arc welder. There we go. Now it's gonna allow me to build on it, except I won't be able to pass down my stairs, which is actually almost kind of ridiculous if you think about it that way. Okay, so now let's place the atmospherics. See, now it wants to be placed. Weird. Alright. Let's put in the pipes and then the filters and then connect it up. So, pipes first. Pipe corner. There we go. First one. Second one goes like that. And this one goes like that. And then you turn like this. And then one straight. And then that's connected to the tank. Good. And then we can actually turn this one to a corner. Yes, and then finally corner here. Okay, so now that part is connected. What we need to have now is we need to put in the filters and whatnot. Okay. We also need to color code it. There we go. Green. Green, green grass of home. Alright, that looks good. Now I want to be connecting the power supply. Hold on. Actually, ooh, I forgot one thing. Yeah, this one was only a corner. It wasn't the triple corner that should be going like this down. Good. Sorry, needed to correct it. There we go. Much better. Okay, where are my filters? One filter, second filter, there we go. And now let's see if it can actually suck out all the N2O out of the environment. So here we have, yeah, we have 0.3 mole N2O, and we have, oh, CO2 N2X. Where is this coming from, actually? Okay. And it doesn't want to suck out. Why doesn't it want to suck out? Because it has no power, of course, because I haven't connected the power. Oh, I'm really a genius. No, the power is here, I just haven't wired it up. Doofus, see? Problem, yes. Things usually work much better when they have electricity, especially the ones that need to be plugged in. GrunfWorks, you big dope. There we go. 1, 2. Okay, we have connected now power and data, and now it should be sucking the N2O out of the environment. Yeah, it sounds like it's doing that. What puzzles me is why there are rest of the excess gases. So you see, this one is chugging out the N2O now outside of it. Yeah, and filling this one, but why are the rest gases? That's kind of puzzling to me. Let's go and check out. Yeah, if I turn all of them on, they will be filtering out that shit, which means that somebody is cramming in extra shit because of that. So if I close, immediately the pollutant starts being repopulated from somewhere. I think I have an idea where it's being populated from. So, once again, look at this. Being populated. Kilopascals. Everything going up. And this is the offending section. See? This valve. Once it's closed, then, hopefully, everything should be hunky-dory. Once if I turn those back again, by mistake I've left the valve open because I was naively thinking that it would be basically that simple. Now look, nothing in the pipes. So these pipes are now in vacuum, and as they should be. So yeah, see, nothing there. And in this tank we have plenty of stuff in there, so that's why it's constantly leaking out. Alright, however guys, I actually think that we can, let's see, what about the water here? Minus 14 degrees. The temperature here is 15 degrees and at 800 kilopascal. So this one is much warmer than this one. So this one is not cooling enough. So if I turn this on, minus 14 degrees still, but it's at least flooding the pipes, which is good. The pressure is dropping somewhat, okay. But this one is not cooling because the pressure here is higher than it is with in here. And that's kind of the problem that we have. So this one actually doesn't matter that much. So what I want to be doing now is I want to be actually putting those two together, because when 19 and minus 14 degrees combined together, the overall temperature of the water should be significantly less. Yes. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that in the next episode. As always, like if you like the episode, hit subscribe, and I will be seeing you in the next one, with lots of fixes coming. Thanks for watching.